So now that you've grown up, you have a family. So to
Yes.
your point about your dad, right? So now, how do you juggle your work life with your family life?
Well, um, I'm a workaholic, and I'm not saying that
I think we
because it's a
noticed. We've noticed that you're working.
yeah. I'm not saying that because it's a very good word.
Yeah.
For real, I'm a workaholic. Like for 6 months ago, I had to go to therapy for the first time in my life, and
Mhm.
it was because when the quarantine, overcame us, instead of taking time to watch movies or to read books or to re to rediscover who Patricia was, what I did
Mhm.
was to put more work into my play. So
Mhm.
I had some situations at home because I was all over the place. So I'm a workaholic. So it means that for me, it's something that I have to be very, very aware. I have to be, um, I cannot oversee that. I have to be aware, and I also have to be careful because I have a son, and
Mhm.
sometimes he will come to me and will say, "Mommy, I want you to play with me," and sometimes I'm going to play, and sometimes I'm going to say I cannot play right now. But yeah, I mean, this is what it is. I try myself to be a better person. It means that sometimes I'm going to win. I'm going to win the battle with myself to be more present
Mhm.
in my family, and sometimes I'm going to lose, and I think that is fine. I think that I don't have to be perfect, and I don't have to have all together. I just need to do one thing today and keep doing it every day.